we going?
Going to the Bigfoot Museum.
What do you hope to see?
Evidence.
Of course. Hi.
Down through the bottom floor and to the right is the Bigfoot collection. Okay.
Big it is. There's no way a man could fit into it. The shoulders and chest are simply too wide. The feet are properly designed for carrying that kind of body weight, and that doesn't make any sense unless you've got a body of that size. And Patterson could not have faked any of this stuff. I talked to him about some of the things I saw, and he didn't even understand what I was talking about.
Yeah, and then there's those that like, well, why haven't we found...
A body.
Yes,
Yeah,
where are the remains?
yeah.
There's some of them had to have died through these whole years. Well, how many bear carcasses have you found?
I've never seen a one.
Look at all these books. I feel so unprepared.
Well, here we are. We're deep in the Six Rivers National Forest. We're at our campsite. This is the heart of Bigfoot country right here. Hey, do you mind if I get some pictures of your campsite before you move in?
Oh, sure, go ahead.
This is no accident. Man does not build fires like this. Hey, well, thanks a lot. Have a good day.
No problem.
Hey, Linda.
Yeah.
Oh, good, you're wearing your camera. I found some footprints. I'm going to go set the camera up down there. We'll need to take a plaster cast. So get the plaster and meet me down there.
Okay.
Did you mix it?
Yeah, I mixed it yesterday. Hey, I'm really sorry about the plaster.
Oh, it's okay. I think we can get some DNA evidence off of this.
Okay, then I'm gonna go chop up some kindling.
Okay. Well, we did it. Got everything we need. Did we get the camera?